Hi friends, today we will continue with the third puri of Japuji Sahib. गावे को तान होवे किसे तान, गावे को दात जाने निशान. Who he sings of his power is blessed by mighty. जो कोई उसके बल का गुणगान करते वे महाशक्तिशाली हैं. Some sings about his splendor by counting his blessings. कोई उसके दातों का गीत गाते कि वह परम दाता है. God is an individuality, a personal experience. All songs sang in his praise are images, symbols to represent his attributes. But all viewpoints are incomplete. There is much more left unsung. गावे को गुण वडियाइयाँ चार, गावे को विद्या विखम विचार. Some sings of his greatness, virtues, radiance and beauty. कोई ईश्वर के गुणों, अच्छाइयों, सौंदर्य के गीत गाता. Some sings of his knowledge obtained through philosophy. कोई विद्या के बल से अकाल पुरुष के कठिन ज्ञान को गाता. Some sings of praise of power of mighty God, who is so powerful and omnipotent. गावे को साज करे तन खे, गावे को जिउले फिर दे. Some sings that he creates the body and turn it back to dust or soil. उसने ही यह शरीर रचा और वही इसे मिटा देता. Some sings that he takes away life and restore it. प्रत्येक जीव उसी से देह पाता. It means he is the creator and destructor. He adorns the body and one day reduces it into ashes. Life, death, birth, rebirth, all are in his hands only. गावे को जापे दिसे दूर, गावे को वेखे हादरा हदूर. Some sings that he is far away, very distant. किसी को वह बहुत दूर प्रतीत होता. Some sings that he watches all of us and is omnipresent. कोई गाता कि वह बहुत करीब से हमें प्रतिपल देख रहा, वह सर्वव्यापी है. It means it's all depend how do you perceive and imagine God. If you feel him close to your heart, then he pulsates in every heartbeat, breathes in your every breath. It's all about the matter of faith. कथना कथी न आवे तोट, कथ कथ कथी कोटि कोट कोट. There is no end of his attributes. उसके गुणगान का कोई अंत नहीं. Though millions describe him in their million ways, करोड़ करोड़ बार कहने पर भी वह अनकहा है, कुछ न कुछ पीछे छूट ही जाता. It means there is no end of his greatness. There is no shortage of those who preach and teach. Millions of sermon stories are written in his glory and grace. देंदा दे लैंदे थक पाही, जुगा जुगांतर खाही खाही. The giver gives eternally, though the receiver tires of receiving. दाता देता ही चला जाता और लेने वाले ले लेकर थक जाते. Throughout the ages, consumers consume. सब जीव सदा से उसका दिया ही खा रहे. He is the great giver who keeps on giving but expects nothing. He is like an ocean, अथाह समुद्र. You can never drain him. Here Guru Nanak means you should be grateful to him. Gratitude must be an element of your prayers. Nanak stress on being a deist आस्तिक होना rather than being a religious, filled with gratitude and thanksgiving. हुक्मी हुक्म चलाए रहा नानक विग से बेपरवाह. His command makes possible to stride. वह हुक्म से दुनिया चला रहा, पथ निर्देश करता. नानक says he is carefree and enjoys his creation. वह बेपरवाह और आनंदित है. He is cheerful, filled with his bliss. So he does not worry. Nanak says you can't take a single step without his permission. God is concerned about you. Existence cares for you. He keeps evolving his supreme bliss. यह उसकी रहनुमाई है जो तुम्हें तुम्हारी राह पर चलाती है, न कि तुम्हारी अपनी ताकत. That is all for today.